show you something in Minitab. So while, okay, so we have this two datas, right? So if I want to put this two, and probably, if I have all the datas here, and I want to stack this data one over other. What I can do is I can go to data, I can go to stack, columns, simply select both these and click on OK. It'll stack it and it'll give me the data. It's that simple.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
That's handy.
Yep. Similarly, you can actually go ahead and you can delete rows, you can unstack the columns as well. You can change the data type. So for example, let's say I write this here. Oh, sorry. Now I'll not take, because I started, I've written this. If I delete, written this, 1, 2, 3, I deleted it. So see, the T would not go. It'll remain as text. Okay. And if I, let's say, update some data here, column C3T. Okay. And if I'm trying to do one sample T test, see, it is not showing C3. You know why? Because it is not able to read number, it is text, right? So what do I do now? So format of the column is text. Okay. So what I can do, so there are 2 or 3 ways I can do that. One is I can go to data, I can change data type from
text to numeric.
Text to numeric. Okay, it has removed that text.
Gotcha.
Okay. Or sometimes, for no reason, it'll throw you error. Okay. So at that point of time, what you do is delete the entire thing, paste it again and rerun it, and it might work. A funny system. So restarting always work everywhere.
Right.
Okay, now I want to change this. So one way is I do the text to numerics. Other way is I simply copy paste this data. So see, if you look here, if I simply do copy paste, it will copy the format as well. Okay, so I would have no other option but to go ahead and delete the entire thing. Delete the entire cell so that I can remove the text, because even if I deleted everything, I would still not be able to input numeric.
Got it.
Okay. Okay, so various things that you can do in Minitab. I mean, I think 5 or 6 days would also be less. You can actually make a pattern data, and loads of things that you can do. You can go through help, try to read it from here, but then you would have to be really a master in statistics to understand the terminology that they are using. But then you can try out, you can, there's a help guide here. You want information about any test, you can actually go to this help guide and you can search for that. If I do analysis of variance, so analysis of variance is the ANOVA that we use. So it has opened these many topics. Let's say I've opened this. It is telling you, what this data is all about, how do you interpret the result and everything. Okay, you just need to be able to search for it and then be able to understand, what they are saying. The normality test, it is again there, the same plots that we saw. Now it is giving you information about normal distribution as well. Okay.
Perfect.
Right. So there was some information about Minitab. Now coming back to our project, we were trying to do the project. So first thing is we were doing comparative based analysis wherein we were doing comparisons. Now when you do two sample T and one way ANOVA, there are certain assumptions that you need to take care of. So one is data should be normal, because obviously if it is not normal, then you cannot use mean based test.
Right.
It should be stable. So stability you find out through run chart, and then variance should be equally distributed, or there should be homogeneity of variance. So we will find out how do we check on that. Okay, especially when you do two sample and one way ANOVA. So these assumptions should be met, otherwise your test would not give you robust result.
Okay.
Okay, if it is not normal, it will still run the test. If you run it on a not normal data, it will still give you the result,
Mm-hmm.
right? But then comparison of mean would not give you accurate picture, right? So
Right.
these are comparative based tests. Now, so that is when you want to compare the data with each other. The second is when you want to. So apart from that, there is two-way ANOVA as well. So this is. So can you open the two-way ANOVA? So two-way ANOVA, the model has to be balanced. When you are trying to check two factors.
Okay.
So does your data look something like this? Two
Yeah.
factors?
Area, weekday, and call volume.
Right. So what we're trying to find out, again, the average handling time. So area, weekday and call volume, is there any difference in different area on different day of the week?
Mm-hmm.
So the path is stats, ANOVA, two-way.
Well, they don't call it two-way anymore, I'm guessing.
Oh, they don't? What do they call it now?
I've got one-way, analysis of the means,
Okay.
balanced ANOVA,
Mm-hmm.
general linear model,
Okay.
mixed effects, fully nested ANOVA, general MANOVA.
Oh, they don't have
Is it
two-way at all.
there is no two-way under ANOVA right now.
Okay. So
One
there
way,
is
one
one
way
way.
unstacked. There's only
One
one
way.
way.
Okay. There's only one way. Yeah.
Yep.
This is where they make my life difficult. Oh, okay. So just a second. Is there any way you can share your screen? You would not be able to, right? Unless and until you're a presenter.
I don't know if I can. Hang on a second. I don't know
Can
if it'll
you?
let me throw this into the chat or not.
Right. I've
Where's the
just
chat
unshared my
at?
screen.
Yeah, it won't let me throw a screen in there. Audio.
Okay, I can. Wait a sec. I'll make you a presenter. Now you can share.
Monitor one. All right. Do you see my screensaver?
Nope. I think, yeah, it's coming up.
You should see a
Yes,
truck here in a
tracking
minute.
now. Yes.
If I can find my mini tab. Slide that over. ANOVA. That's where I have.
Okay. Go to second one, analysis of variance.
Go to which one?
The second one. Below
Analysis
one.
of
Yeah.
means.
Yep. So the font size is quite low. Can you expand your mini tab? I mean, the font size is very low. I'm not able to read out.
I have mini tab as big as it will go.
Oh, okay.
And so is the box won't let me change it. An analysis of means.
Okay, I think this is the one. You can use this one.
Okay. Go back to ANOVA. Analysis of means.
Okay. Response is going to be the call volume.
Response is call volume. Okay.
What's this one? Factor 1. Yeah, this
Factor
one.
1. It'd be area
Factor
or
1
weekday?
area.
Area.
Yeah.
Factor 2 weekday.
Perfect. Click on OK. There you go.
And it says two-way once you open it. That's the craziest thing I've ever seen. Okay.
All right, you got it. So we have the p-value now. Straight away look at the p-value.
The p-value would be over here,
in the
right?
second window.
That's one way. This is two-way.
Right.
Why isn't it? Well, that's the craziest thing. It hasn't done that in the past.
Okay, normally you get a session output where you get the p-value, ANOVA table and all that stuff. Okay,
Yeah,
never mind.
Normally it's right here in the session.
No worries. Can you go back to the last edit dialog?
What was that? Oops. Here? Or you want to go back here?
Yeah. So let me just see.
Do I need
So it's going
binomial or
Poisson? No, we don't need that. This is alpha. Why in the world it is not giving it p-value? There's no option as well. Okay. Nope, it's not there.
And every time it brings up that same.
Okay.
Which I'm kind of weird that it doesn't tell me what it normally would tell me.
Yeah. Area. Okay. Okay, never mind. You leave it with me. I'll come back to you on this one.
Okay.
Okay, and if we do get the time, we'll try two-way ANOVA with the different data once again to see if we actually get the p-value or not.
Okay.
All right, so that's two-way ANOVA. Then, oh, I forgot to share. Can you? Oh, you have unshared your screen, yeah?
Yes. All right. Should be back to you.
Yes.
There we go.
Okay. So now, after we've done the comparative analysis test, so and these are all the formulas that they've given. So let me just quickly take you through this the slides.